Hello again, you're watching Smowltech's channel. Have you ever heard of the term SaaS? SaaS stands for Software as a Service, a software distribution model that has transformed how organizations approach technological solutions, including proctoring tools. In this video, we'll cover what SaaS is, the main benefits of the model, and how it can make digital examinations more efficient and secure. What is SaaS? Basically, it's like renting software instead of buying it. Applications are hosted on cloud servers, so you can access the software online through a web browser from any device with no bulky downloads. This means more accessibility and scalability, huge savings on upfront costs, automatic updates, and top-notch security handled by the provider. Think of Microsoft 365, Salesforce, Google Workspace, etc. But how does SaaS fit into exams? Traditionally, exams required in-person supervisors, which can be expensive and inconvenient. SaaS proctoring lets you change that. With solutions like SMOWL, exams can be monitored remotely and automatically. This saves money, makes exams more accessible for students in remote areas, and even helps those with disabilities or scheduling conflicts. Security is key. SaaS proctoring uses advanced tech to prevent cheating. These applications offer automatic identity authentication and software that flags unauthorized behaviors. This keeps exams fair and the results trustworthy. So, how do you get started with SaaS proctoring? First, choose the right software. Look for features like cheat detection, secure identity checks, and an easy-to-use interface. Second, make sure the software integrates with your online learning platform. This creates a seamless experience for students and synchronizes results. For example, SMOWL is a certified Moodle integration, providing a smooth process. It can seamlessly integrate with platforms such as Blackboard, D2L, Canvas, OpenLMS, or even a custom-developed one. Finally, don't forget about training. Proper training for your staff ensures they can effectively use the software and supervise exams. If you want to know more about SaaS, be sure to check out our in-depth article about it. Here at Smowltech, we're passionate about making exams secure and accessible. That's why we offer exceptional support, guiding you every step of the way, from setup to ongoing use. Ready to experience the benefits of SaaS proctoring? Request a free demo from us today. Leave a comment below with any questions and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips for educators.